And he has not taken any course for years. Mandar already using YouTube. As if it's a horror video, a snail will show his face at the end of the
The hobby is great thing. Just story to Alexa.
This is Mandar's typical postman.